Do you want to know how you can log into your Employment Hero payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Employment Hero payroll account. Go ahead and search for Employment Hero payroll login. Then click on the first link which appears on your screen. You can see the login on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on login and then go ahead and tap on this payroll login option. You can see the login portal on the left hand side of your screen. The first step is to write down your email address. Go ahead and write down your email address in this box over here. The second step is to write down your password. After you write down your password, make sure you check your password once. Then the last step is to click Login. This way, you can successfully log into your Employment Hero payroll account. If you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. I hope this video about how you can log into your Employment Hero payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.